Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcwen. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another BlueJ problem in Java, and the problem is that we take a number as input and convert the number in binary. Actually the number which I am taking as input in decimal format. In mathematics there are four different types of number systems are there. One is decimal number system, another is binary number system, another is hexadecimal number system, and another is octal number system. And today's problem is that to convert this decimal number to binary number, and the number is a whole number, means it's not a fraction. Okay, so go to the computer screen. I will discuss elaborately in BlueJ IDE the Java code to convert a number which is in decimal convert to binary. Okay. So friends, I'm just within the BlueJ IDE, and here I'm just writing my code for the problem to take a decimal number as input and convert it into equivalent binary. Okay, so at first we create a class. So just go to new class, and suppose we put the class name decimal underscore binary, because the conversion from decimal to binary. Okay, and press OK. So this is the file, and just double click on that. So extra part just delete from there, because our class name is decimal binary, so public class decimal binary. So as we take the input, we need at first import the scanner class. So just write import java.util.scanner. Okay. And now within this particular class decimal underscore binary, at first we define public static void main and send as argument string args. Okay, this is open close, and within this we just write our logic into there. At first we should know in mathematics there are four different number systems are there. One is decimal, another is binary, another is octal, and fourth one is hexadecimal. When we convert from one number system to another number system, then we should follow some rule. And today's problem from decimal to binary, and also the rule is that here I'm doing the problem for the number is pure number, means not a fraction, like 10, like 105, like 2000, like that type of number we just convert into binary, because for fraction it has some different rule. So in my some other video I will discuss this fraction part also. So today I will discuss the decimal to binary, those number which are just pure number. Okay, so at first we take some variable, just write int, and just write in comma r, because these two variable is needed, and also take another variable which is string, just write string d equal and put some value, just blank. Okay, means just double quote open close. Okay, and after we just instantiate the scanner class, just write scanner sc equal new scanner and send just argument system.in. Okay, so this is the instantiation of our scanner class for taking the input. Okay, now just write system.out.println and just write within double quote enter a decimal number colon and then double quote end parenthesis close semicolon. Okay, so just write within the console enter a decimal number. Okay, now we take the input, just write within the n variable we take the input, so just write n equal and just write equal sc dot next int, because this is the method through which we take the integer as input, and it should be a whole number. Okay, and now after that we just check a condition while, and what happened for decimal to binary, we just divide the number by 2. Why? Because decimal have the base is 10 where binary have the basis 2. When we convert from decimal to binary, we should divide the number by 2 if the number is pure. So in that way we get quotient and remainder, and in that way we form our binary formation of the decimal equivalent. Okay, and now just write while n not equal to 0. Why? Because we find out the remainder part actually, because we need this for our calculation of binary equivalent. Okay, and just write while n not equal to 0, and now here just take the remainder r equal and just write n % 2. Why? Because we just divide by 2 because we convert into equivalent binary. Okay, so divide by 2 and the whatever the remainder just store within the variable r. Now we just write d equal, because we form the binary equivalent, just write d equal and just write integer dot toString, because we form a string format for equivalent binary of the decimal number which is taken as input. Okay, so just write integer dot toString and send as argument r, because the remainder, and plus d means just concatenate. In that way the string is form of the binary equivalent. Okay, and at last we just write n equal n divide 2, means we find out the quotient, and in that way it's going on how much time? Until unless the n value is 0. Okay, so d will be store all the equivalent binary digits, because binary digits only 0 and 1, so it form in form of 0 and 1, and whatever the equivalent is just store within the variable, string variable d. Okay, and after what we just print the result of binary equivalent, just write system dot out dot println and just write the binary equivalent is, put a colon, double quote end, and just write plus d, parenthesis close, semicolon. So this is the code where we take the input, a decimal number which is a pure number or integer number, and it will print its equivalent binary. Okay, so if we compile it and close it, so there is no error. So this is the file, so just right click on there, just choose void main and just press OK. So now enter a decimal number, so within the console we just put the number. Suppose we put the number is 5. Yes, the binary equivalent of 5 is 101. Okay, again if we run again this code, and suppose we send here 108 in decimal. Yes, is a big binary equivalent 1101100. Okay, so this is the code through which we can find out a decimal number and it convert to a equivalent binary. Okay, and this is a simple code. In BlueJ I just write the code for any pure number of the decimal and just convert into equivalent binary. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any query, so just write down in the comment section. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like it if you like this video, and also share it. Thank you. Bye bye.